Guys, welcome back. This is our third episode of Can You Answer This? I'm super excited for this episode because, being techie savage, um, हम यूजुअली हिंदी भाषा का इस्तेमाल बिल्कुल नहीं करते और आजकल इतना ट्रेंड हो चुका है कि हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में बहुत सारे इंग्लिश वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं। तो आज का चैलेंज क्विज है बिटवीन 3 टेक्निकल पीपल जो हिंदी के मुहावरे गेस करेंगे और वो भी ट्विस्ट के साथ।
Today we got Nikita, Vic, and how good are you with languages?
Languages.
Yes.
See, I know Marathi, I know Hindi, I know English.
But I'm good, not that bad. Good with English grammar, Hindi grammar. I do teach children. Yeah, I guess. Let's see.
Guys, we got Pro here. We got Pro.
Oh my god, now I'm
So
scared.
we know
I'm ready.
who will be the winner.
So, guys, today's quiz is based on our Hindi language, what we have studied in our school, grammar and everything. So, आज का quiz है, guys. I'm going to give you some emojis. You have to guess the Hindi muhavre based on emojis.
Oh,
Yay.
emoji.
Yes.
Hindi muhavre from emojis. Oh,
I'll give you
Okay.
this set of emojis and you guys have to guess the muhavre. When we are going to ask question, it will be like first Nikita, second Sagar, and then third Vivek, based on the alphabetical order of your names. So if Nikita को answer नहीं आता है, then she will pass that question to Sagar, then Sagar to Vivek. So next question will be asked to Sagar, not to Vivek. So it will go alphabetically order, but it will be passed as the next question to next person. Okay.
okay.
So let's start. And here it's your first question.
I am so bad at emojis. I don't know. घर का कुत्ता. It's I don't know. It's घर, no? It's house. कुत्ता. And it's pointing to a lion.
Go with the words. Play with the words. It's easy.
घर का कुत्ता. I don't know आगे का. What's a lion? I don't know. I told you I'm very bad at this. The emojis are not my thing.
Like this dialogue is the most of the Hollywood movies.
Yes.
सारे बॉलीवुड मूवीज में ये होता ही होता है. Trust me.
Almost. सारे हिंदी सिनेमा में.
और ये स्पेशली बॉलीवुड हीरोज कहते हैं विलन के लिए. Okay, so Nikita, are you ready to pass this question to Sagar?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, Sagar.
Hey, अपनी गली में तो कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
Ah.
गली में कुत्ता भी शेर. That's right. All good.
that was too easy, yaar. Come on, Nikki. You know Hindi better than me.
No, I don't know. I told you, I don't know this muhavras and stuff.
What is this, man?
Seriously?
I'll tell you how I relate muhavras, through emoji. So I can see a horse and it's running. So that should be like ghoda or something dodna.
Is that a host? What is that?
Come on, what is this, man?
God knows.
Head.
No, maybe it's Atul ke घोड़े दौड़ाना something. Is it?
What is it?
अकल के घोड़े दौड़ाना.
यार घोड़े कैसे दौड़ा सकते हैं?
But that's muhavra.
But
They look like Akil. They look like Akil. The man is doing this, right? So that is Sir. Sir means Akil. And there is a horse running.
you are guessing the first word.
So that is Akil.
I know,
सर पे भूत सवार होना.
Hey man, I shouldn't have prompted.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I shouldn't have prompted.
Ah,
That's
Saga,
a nice
half point
point.
to me, yeah.
सर पे भूत सवार होना. That's right.
hey, what is this here?
Look.
It's very small. Okay, 5. High 5. And what is that? Honey? Is that honey? Hey, yeah, what is this? Okay, 5. This is something like high 5 for me. This is high 5, right? High 5. ताली बजाना नहीं, एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती.
Guys, don't go with emojis meaning. Guess the
पांचों इंग्लिश something. Hey, what is Indian for toop? पांचों उंगलियां.
don't tell.
टूप को क्या बोलते हैं?
I'm not going to prompt this time.
Come on man. पांचों उंगलियां घी में, right?
Right.
Oh man, अरे वो हनी लग रहा था यार मेरे को. 1 point for me, 1 point for Sagar, right? Yeah, high 5 now.
What is that second one है? लाठी बैल, वो बैल है ना? क्या है? Yes, लाठी और बैल. What is that यार? Exactly, मुझे वो मुहावरा याद नहीं आ रहा है. I know something like that, but I don't know that. भैंस और लाठी, I got it. What is the मुहावरा? I'm really bad at this. Very fast in I'm there.
See, I'm still not waiting. Oh, I got it.
जिसकी लाठी उसका भैंस, उसकी भैंस.
जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस.
Not going to lose all the time, man.
Look, now like हद्दी हो रखी है. I'm not playing game.
यार कुत्ता हमेशा आ जाता है बीच में.
सारे मुहावरे हिंदी के कुत्तों और भैंस के बीच पे ही हैं. क्या?
कुत्ते की मौत मरना.
कुत्ते की मौत मरना.
Oh, hey.
You have watched too much Tamil movies. I'm telling you, you have watched too much Tamil movies. ये सारे dialogue वहीं से आ रहे हैं.
कुछ नहीं मरा.
That is too in Hindi dubbed. I'm pretty sure.
Hey, yaar, what is this?
It's our brain. So we should use our brains.
Now I know. ठीक है. This is easy again.
यार ये भैंस को वापस ला दिया. क्या है मतलब कुत्ता भैंस?
अरे दिमाग, I know Hindi word is दिमाग. दिमाग क्या घास चरने गया है?
What's the logic? बीच में तराजू है.
अरे यार, look, I'm sweating right now. दिमाग
का
and बैल.
दिमाग का दूसरा word. That's it. I can't give more hint.
Sir.
दिमाग का दूसरा word.
Sir.
We use that in Marathi as well.
No.
But what's the मुहावरा?
Okay. Should I pass?
दिमाग को तराजू में तोलना. I don't know, man.
Okay. I'm passing. Are you ready?
I'll pass.
Okay, Nikki.
ओए यार मेरे को भी नहीं पता.
Okay, so it goes to Sagar.
अकल बढ़िया भैंस.
Akal badi.
Oh, sir.
Oh.
Classes.
I don't know. I don't know that muhavra.
Moon?
Nikki, we shouldn't.
Phases of moon. What is that? 4 चांद लगा देना.
Oh shit!
Wow.
4 दिख रहे, 4 दिख रहे.
Nice one.
Yes, and that was good.
Nice.
See, I'm getting there slowly.
जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं.
Right.
Ooh,
Oh,
awesome.
nice.
हम लोगों को सागर के पास हिंदी के क्लासेस लेने जाने पड़ेंगे for sure.
Exactly,
nice.
exactly. Especially for muhavras.
You
हाँ.
did too much मेहनत, Kiran. You did too much of मेहनत.
I know
I
this.
know this.
I know this. Vivek, please don't answer. No, please.
I know this one. बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद.
Of course.
Nice.
Because I use this a lot of times. Okay, for some people. Oh, come on, man. Why Sagar is after Nikki, man?
रातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते.
Oh my god.
Exactly, nice.
Yay, Nikki's on
Yay.
fire.
सौ चूहे खा के बिजली हज को चली.
Oh shit, man, nice.
Yes.
फिर से एक बार
हम
फिर से
एक word है.
फिर से एक बार देखना. You are missing the first emoji.
What is this? Watch. नहीं मतलब है यही, right?
हाँ वही है लेकिन it's not an actual मुहावरा जो मूवीज में यूज करते हैं जो तुमने बताया. उसके पहले कुछ तो है. That's in a watch.
Don't tell me that you have gone too far. Like मतलब norm असली वाला मुहावरा you're telling me.
हाँ you just guessed it right सागर. अभी तूने
This वाला I think.
It's not really the normal वाला which everyone uses saw चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज को चली. The normal one is this, right?
हाँ, so
लेकिन जो normal असली वाला है which is 900 चूहे
900 चूहे खा के
900 चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज
It's
को
9
चली.
o'clock.
But that is not used. मेरा cheating कर रहे हो.
But that's
You
मैंने
got
खेला.
the point.
but you got the point. right?
You got the point.
What is this? रात सितारा पेड़ क्या है ये?
वो पेड़ किस चीज का है?
I know this.
नारियल का है.
हाँ.
And what is that?
और किस टाइप का पेड़ होता है वो?
I get it. I'm waiting for them to pass.
Is it आसमान से गिरे खजूर में अटके?
Right. आसमान से गिरा.
Hey, is it correct?
Yes.
Instant.
Here is our result. We got a tie here again in this quiz. So it's a tie between Nikki and Vivek. So here
Oh, come on, man.
we're going to have our tiebreaker question.
आके दिखा ना.
ये देखो मैं क्या हूँ.
He's showing he's giving you hint, guys. Look at him.
Tell me what I am.
What is the name?
चश्मे.
Andha.
अंधों में राजा खाना something. Is it?
Vivek,
अंधों में काना राजा.
हाँ.
right? Vivek is right. It's
अंधों में काना राजा, right?
Yes, Andho Mein Kana Raja.
Oh yes.
Never get one.
So guys, we got the final result of this quiz, and we got a clear loser here. Who's that?
It's me.
Yay, Nikki is the loser for this episode. Yay! Okay.
Yeah, guys. Okay.
So-
No claps, please.
So,
I'm crying on her
Last one
behalf.
was tough.
okay.
Tears of joy for you.
Okay. Okay, guys. So the final moment of our episode is punishment. So today's punishment for this video is the loser has to eat his favorite fruit with tomato ketchup on it.
You. Tomato ketchup.
I got
Lots of tomato ketchup on it. So Nikki, what you got for yourself to treat yourself?
I got apple and ketchup, of course.
Okay.
Apple is our secret.
Oh,
I'm going to use this as a tip, man. I'm not gonna pour it.
We are ready to see how Nikki take that.
So this is a ketchup on apple. I'm
Okay.
gonna eat that.
you seriously?
Because I can feel that. Oh my gosh, I can't eat ketchup with that.
It's yummy. You should try that. I'm serious, guys. I am enjoying it. Yeah.
Yeah, if she's enjoying, then she should eat more, right?
Yes.
So guys, here was our episode where these techie people has guessed the Hindi muhavras based on emojis. So if you enjoy this video, please
Do like it.
Share it.
Share it.
Okay, I share it.
and please subscribe to my channel. Thank
Yes.
you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye to all.